You gotta be careful what you wish for, sis. Mother Nature said, oh, y'all want a hot girl summer? Hold on, I got you. Don't even worry about it. Y'all wanted a hot girl summer, and look at us now. Look at us. July was the hottest month on earth ever. 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 Hey everyone, I'm Philly and I like to talk about science. Today we're going to talk about the summer temperatures. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join Team Glitter. Let's get into it. The month of July was hot, like hot. The average global temperature in the month of July was 1.7 degrees Fahrenheit, higher than the 20th century average of 60.4 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the highest July on record in the last 140 years. That's how long NOAA has been collecting global temperatures worldwide. Prior to July 2019, the hottest July on record was July 2016. July 2019 beat July 2016 by 0.05 degrees Fahrenheit. July 2019 also marks the 43rd consecutive July and the 415th consecutive month that the global average has been higher than the 20th century average. So we definitely felt the extreme temperatures right here in the US, but there were also extreme heat waves throughout Europe, with Paris experiencing a high of 108 degrees Fahrenheit. There were also forest fires in Alaska, Siberia, and Greenland. And also we saw the Arctic and the Antarctic ice sheets melting. The Arctic sea ice extent was 730,000 square miles smaller than the global average from 1998 to 2010. And also the Arctic sea level was 236,000 square miles smaller than the global average from 1998 to 2010. So let's go back. What is NOAA? NOAA stands for the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. NOAA is responsible for being stewards of the ecosystem by providing accurate and scientific information about the ecosystem, the ocean, waterways, and the environment. Everyone is familiar with NOAA because they are the group behind the National Weather Service. So not only do they give us the forecast and their weather predictions, but they also tell us a lot about other environmental systems as well. So how does NOAA know that this is the hottest July on record in the last 150 years? So NOAA itself wasn't founded until 1970 under the presidency of Richard Nixon, but the National Weather Service predates this by 100 years, and the collaborative efforts of collecting weather data is even older than that. It actually started in 1849 when the Smithsonian Institute sent out weather instruments to telegraph companies. The telegraph actually revolutionized the way that people were able to communicate at long distances. So the Smithsonian Institute sent out these weather instruments to telegraph companies, and they were able to record the weather at their locations and send them back to one central location so it could be plotted and analyzed. So does any of this have anything to do with climate change? Yes, absolutely. The increase in global temperatures, the melting of the Arctic ice sheets, and the increase of extreme weather events are all evidence of climate change. If left unchecked, the global ice sheets will continue to melt, sea level will continue to rise, and all of this will have a negative effect on the population. That's why we have got to get the greenhouse gases under control. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend. Honestly, this is probably all Megan Thee Stallion's fault. This whole hot girl summer thing. It's literally been a hot girl summer. I'm gonna send her my electric bills. Because I think at this point, Duke Energy wants to fight me. Every time they send me an email, I just slowly start taking off my earrings, trying to pull my hair back because I know the email is going to be one big, fighting word. It's hot. What y'all want me to do, Duke? What y'all want me to do?